This Math SAT Level 1 Test 3 video from mathondvd.com and mathstutor.biz is one of the 150 video tutorials in this 3-test set. The set also has 3 DVDs, one DVD for each test, and each DVD lasts almost 2 hours. Also included are the tests themselves. There are 3 tests, each with 50 questions. It's hoped that the student will work through these first before they watch the DVD. Full details about this set and other maths DVDs can be obtained from mathondvd.com or mathstutor.biz. Math SATs Level 1 Question 21. Which of the following is the equation of a parabola which passes through these 2 points? Now a parabola is a graph like that, or up the other way like that. It can be squashed in or pulled out, but it's still a parabola. Now we should recognise that as being a circle, and then we can straight away eliminate that as the answer. We should also recognise that this is actually the equation of a straight line. So we can eliminate that. This is a cubic. So it would produce a graph going like that, or possibly like that. But it certainly is not a parabola. So we're actually left with either that or that. Let's look at B and see if it is B. Because we're told it passes through these 2 coordinates. It passes through P and it passes through Q. Let's try P. In other words, put the value of x is 0 and y is 10 in there. So y is 10 and x is 0, so 0 squared is 0. And that looks as if that's pretty good to me. So let's try Q. X is 5 and y is 0. 5, 0. So if I put y is 0 there and x is 5, I get 5 5s are 25 plus 10. Well, that works out to be 35. So that's not much good. So I think it's D. But let's just check. In the exam, if I was getting a bit short of time, maybe I wouldn't check this. But let's substitute that coordinate into there. Let's try P. So in other words, y is 10. And that's going to equal 0 squared, or minus 0 squared, plus 3 noughts, plus 10. That's looking pretty good. Let's try Q. In other words, y is going to be the 0 value. X squared is going to be 5 squared, which is 25, but it's minus x squared, so it's minus 25, plus 3 5s are 15, plus 10. That does work out to be 0, so I really am quite convinced that D is the answer to 21. If you didn't know about that being a circle, that being a straight line, and or that being a cubic, you could substitute these values into all of those like that, and you would eliminate these that way. Please visit mathondvd.com for all the details on all the available math DVDs.